You unscrew the cap, and you got a little Schrader valve in there, but they leak. So it's just a little Schrader valve in there, you know, like a valve core stem on a tire. Telltale signs, you know, if there's any oil around here or around here. Like this O2 right here, it's nasty. There's a bunch of leaking oil right there. A bunch of gunk caked on. So this thing will start leaking, you'll lose all the refrigerant out of the line, and then your AC just stops working. And the AC compressor stops coming on because this safety switch right here cuts out. And it cuts out to protect it because there's low refrigerant in here. So I got these gauges hooked up now, and let's see what it's reading. Nothing, completely empty. Sprayed it down with some bubbly water. And you know, this one's already leaked all the way down, but it'll start bubbling like crazy, big bubbles, not those little bubbles. And you'll know it's leaking, trust me. So they make a special tool that you can screw on the top of it, you know, close it off and take the little valve out and then put the new valve in, and then you don't have to drain the whole system. But I don't have that. This thing's already drained, so we need to fix it. Let's go on ahead and get it fixed. We got the high pressure valve here. We got some new Schrader valves and a cap and, you know, O-ring in there. See what this is looking like. Yep, just as I suspected, the rubber has deteriorated. See how it's bad right there? Yeah, it's bad. This one I suspected of leaking and it was bad. Yeah, this new one's looking much better. Down in here, there's an O-ring that goes bad on all of these. It's bad in here too. There's a Schrader valve in there too. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that one out in there too. So this pressure switch valve isn't looking too bad, but I didn't suspect that of leaking. You can get a new O-ring. All right, so I went down to Harbor Freight. They had some O-rings that fit. This one right here and this one right here. And then this size fit in here. And then this one, you know, it can leak too. It's got a cap down in there, rubber seal, and that seals this off right here. You know, it's just a little ball in there, a little plastic ball, and it seals up. You can replace these. You see it's got wrench flats on it. You can unscrew it and get you a new one. It's got an O-ring on there, and it's, you know, not 20 years old. So that'll be sealed there, and in there too. It's got that little plastic ball in there. That's where it leaks. Found this special tool. Vice grips. Oh yeah, she's old. Get the new one in. And then we have our orifice tube right here. These things are cheap. Orifice tube out of here. Yeah, it's not too bad, but it's cheap to replace. Get this new one in here. There's a hidden O-ring back up in here too. So this one right here, this size, fit in here. It's going down. No leaks. Nothing. Oh yeah, that's blowing ice cold now. Later.